Today's Wednesday, Hump Day, February 8th, 2017. Take a quick glance here at the markets. We're mixed. Spiders higher. Diamonds lower. And NASDAQ higher. Small caps lower. Banks lower by 1%. So watch that. Financials lower. US dollar lower. Crude oil higher. Gold higher. And silver higher. VIX lower. We're just all over the place here. The only thing that makes sense is the lower dollar. Commodities did rise. Here we are looking at the spiders. We remain in a bearish formation. A rising wedge? We are at support. Blowing this up, I want us to take a very, very close look at this. On the S&P 500, we gapped lower, we started to go lower, and then people bought that strength, rallied right back higher, pulled back slightly, closed for the day. This area is holding a lot of price action. The area to watch is 229.57. 229.57 on the Spider SPY. Can we get over that? If so, we have the danger of this line. This resistance line should pop higher. That's a text coming in my phone. Should pop higher. But the bottom line is, this formation is more bearish than it is bullish. The thing I shared with you guys yesterday was this. Very important that we see this. We have a swing high. We're near that area. Can the moving average and the signal line of the MACD centered oscillator actually pop above this line? In other words, can this pop up and then blast through resistance? If not, we're going to look for a pullback in the markets. The NASDAQ, record high yet again. Up, and higher. The NASDAQ looks very strong. But look how, when you go up this drastically, usually you have a pullback. This red line is very important to me. This number 125.80 support line. So a lot of support right here. It may get tested tomorrow, Thursday. Let me tell you why I think that we will probably go higher on Thursday. Here's why. A bull pullback, a hammer on small caps. This is the Russell's 2000. We are below all major moving averages. We're coiling right now. If I were to draw another trend line, I would bring it from here to here. Be support. We closed right above support with a hammer. Here's its chance to go higher. So we're expecting a monster move, guys. Look at all the consolidation. This market is ready to explode. It could be one direction or the other. Banks. Support, bounce. Will we bounce? This is so important that we watch banks tomorrow. If the banks break down, that could be the catalyst to the downside. That could send the markets in a tailspin. Financials. Look at this. Support. Today we broke down below it. Let me blow this up so you can see it. We broke down below it and we closed right at it in the 20-day moving average. Hugely important. So crucial for it to run back up there. For you guys that's been following me any more than a month, you know how these trend lines, if they're drawn correctly, how they perfectly match up. For you guys that's followed me more than a year, you're in disbelief on how these trend lines are so magical. Crude oil. Let's do the US dollar. US dollar, we have a buy on yesterday. We staggered steps sideways, but we did break out of a falling wedge. We do have a chance now for this market, for the US dollar to go higher. Crude oil, down, drop. We have a chance now going higher. We do have what's called a bullish engulfing reversal pattern. Gold, boom, busted through resistance. That was huge for it to bust through this level of resistance. I think it's had a nice run. It needs to build a base. It needs to maybe pull back on top of this red line and then rally again, giving us all a chance to add more to our long position. Silver, up, but it's at resistance. This is a rising wedge with these two red lines. We're at major resistance that hasn't broke out yet. Hasn't broke out like gold has. Two weeks from now, we have right here a trade along with me, D7. If you followed me for any time at all, I hope you see the value in spending 2 days with me here in Indianapolis. You and me, and you can bring a friend. It's VIP. It's 5 G's for these 2 days. I take care of travel. I take care of your hotel. I take care of everything. And we'll get after it in the trading world. Markets are teetering on death, but we're teetering on a major explosion taking place one direction or the other. It's going to happen soon. Pay attention, stay close. If you like it, like it.